So I'm going to show you guys how I made my pumpkins on a pedestal, or in my case, pumpkins in a pot. So here I am painting the pots I purchased from Walmart for 50 cents each. I bought 4 of them to stack 2 together for each, so they wouldn't fall over. Here I am adding the ribbon I already had at home. I had previously purchased this as well from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gluing them onto the pots, so the pots stick together and you can't see that there are 2 separate pots here. I got this idea from when I was shopping at Tuesday mornings, and I saw this, and it was about $50 each, and I was like, well, I can make this myself, so I decided to. Here I am adding the leaf bouquets. So I purchased the leaf bouquets from Dollar Tree for $1 a piece, and I cut all the leaves off and glued each one around the rim of the pot. And so the pumpkin would have a good base for the glue and to kind of like hide it. In addition to using the leaves from the leaf bouquets, I also used the wire that I cut the leaves off to help stack the pumpkins. All I did was pull off the plastic that was around the wire and just used the wire stem and stuck it inside the pumpkin and stuck it inside the other pumpkin so they would not fall over once I put them outside. So the pumpkins I purchased from Walmart for about $6 a piece. I think they were like $5.95 or something like that. They're, I guess, the most expensive thing in this project, which isn't expensive at all. And so I'm just adding glue, just so everything sticks together nicely. Here I am starting to add the garland around. I purchased the garland from Dollar Tree. In the background on the table there, you can see the other roll of garland. It was just rolled up, and I just unraveled it and decided to put it around the pumpkins and attach it with glue. So the whole thing cost me about $23 a piece, which is really good in comparison to the one I saw at the store for about $50. And so now I'm just adding the words I purchased from Dollar Tree. It was 3 words for $1. Welcome, harvest, and thankful. And all I'm doing is just adding these as well with the glue gun. I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching my video.